Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to find and discover top traders that you can copy in eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you have not already by going to eToro.com right here, and from here we are going to see the join eToro option that's going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally using the login button in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to log in. So once you've logged in, you are going to be greeted by the new main page where at the left side of the screen you can find the menu with all the options for accessing, for trading, investing, and so on, and you're going to be able to access your profile right here in the upper right corner. So let's go and take a look at how to find traders we can copy. So what we're going to do is go to the discover section. In the menu that appears, you're going to be able to see the discover section. If you cannot find it, just go to etoro.com/discover/people, and this is going to be the URL of the main page right here, from where we can find investors. As you can see, when they invest, you invest. You can go and get started copying them. You can take a look at trending investors and the top investors of today. You can take a look at the percentage rates, the return rates, and so on. You can open them up. So you can go ahead and open up any investor you want, and if you want to copy their trades and do exactly as they are doing, you can go and click the copy button right here in the upper right corner. This is going to enable you to copy the top traders, so find any that you would like, get started copying them, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.